And now you are in India, you realize in your country, in my country, what is the difference, what is the people, what is the culture.
Yes, I am in India, so interested in his culture, his philosophy, his master, his divinities.
You realize it in Brazil, in India, entirely different.
I beg pardon?
In India and Brazil, different,
Yes.
entirely different.
Different aspects.
Because in our country, many religions, many type of peoples, and we got, our country is very big. We got in our country 80,000 millions people, and in our country 40% people non-employed, and 60% people are employed. You have been in city, many people like beggars, they have no clothes, no education, it's nothing. You have see the people, then you thought that what is the people of life.
In Brazil, we have some problems also, not so intensive as India, but it's comprehensible.
No, but I mean, it is this problem with the people in every country, not in Brazil, not in India, all over country. But in India, I mean, is percentage is very high. Maybe more than 40 people, they don't have no house, no service, nothing.
Yes,
and the 10% people, they don't have no clothes, not single clothes. They have only food and beggars, only one shirt and half shorts, nothing else.
Why? India has 7 times the population of Brazil.
Yeah.
And India has few time in independent life.
But you don't
It's very hard.
listen to me. In our country, is the minister is a policy. They in the election time come on the villages and give the speech. Please you help of me. You gave me the support. Then I will come in the ministry. I help you. Then he will. After the election, you go to the minister to ask him. He don't know who are you. He's talking like. He don't know. Look from here. And he's called the, otherwise you speak to him, you promised to me before the election, so he called the police and police is coming.
The same in Brazil, the same.
Listen to, but I don't think in Brazil, but I'm talking about that what happening in India. Because my age is, I'm just like now 24 years, you are more than 70, so you have seen many countries, am I right? So you, for me, you 4 times better you got the brain, but I am seeing only the India.
No part of the world, this seems early.
No. One more thing in my country, you have go to in the police station, and you get any theft case, for the policeman give the rupee, finished. Police is never not in the company.
Corruption.
Yes, many corruption.
But it's in India and Brazil, in all countries.
Same thing.
Yes, it's happening. We are in Kali Yuga.
Maybe.
You know.
Maybe.
You know.
And
Yes, exactly.
In our country, suppose you are the rich man, so your people go to in good school, English medium school or any school. Suppose somebody is poor, so he can't take the appointment in good school because the rich man don't find like the poor man coming in that category school. It matter in your country? I think.
The problem is the same
Maybe.
around the world.
You asked about any question of India, I explain you. But you don't think like this position. But it is our country with the secret policy. You go to the airport, there you see this country is very good. Because the policeman never show to the foreigners. These are problems see only the Indian peoples. Because you coming here, you can't see. In India, you go to any palace, there is, you see, there is good administration, good people, Suppose you came to here, our management show to only the good things. Suppose I criticize of India, that time the management called me, why you criticize of India? Then call the police, then police arrest me. So our country people never ask and never talk to the other country what is in India's situation.
You and I and every man in this planet
Yeah.
have a salvation
But
in God.
no, this thing is much better than Russia, USSR. There is Soviet Union, people are very good because each people have a good clothes, good education,
But have not,
good home.
but have not liberty.
Yes, you are right. Liberty is not there, but poor people is good.
Yes, but
You know,
without liberty.
in you
Just
go
now,
you
yeah.
go to Russia, but there is no one have a personal property, but everybody have a good food, good education, personal house and vehicles. Four things is everybody have.
But have not liberty to talk,
Why?
to walk, to talk about this.
I don't know, sir, because you have take all round of all world, you see many countries, but I see only the India. So I don't know the foreign countries, what is the situation of the people, what is the business, or so many things there. But I think only the India. But every day you need to read the newspapers in Punjab. What is happening there? Everybody has suicide too. They want Punjabi. You don't see like Punjabi men.
That's it.
Yes, Sikhs. They want to the separate country, but it is not good.
I know.
You know, every time there is fighting.
Yes.
But the Rajiv,
Terrorist.
you know the Indira Gandhi, his personal secretary, he is the society. There is a very dangerous for the religion, our Indian people. His security is very loose because American MSC is declared before he is dead. The police is very cunning and you can't view the people because this news is out before 40 hours before the suicide.
But you are a religious man.
Yes.
Yes. It's very important to cross the situation. No?
Yeah. No, but people are just like see everybody busy in our business. Big rich man is busy in our business. They want to see just like a joking. You know, that poor people they don't have anything. They reply every time to a part-time job or service like this. Suppose you have to rich man, you have speak to the rich man. Your boy go there and reply, and he get the service. Listen, other people is more intelligent in front of your boy, so he can't go to there, and the company man is not appointed to him because he knows it is a poor people.
The angels,
So
is Atta.
one more thing, you have read today newspaper. You know there is many vacancies in government department. Then fill the all positions post. Then they declare the vacancies. Then they call all the boys and take the test, examination, take the interview. Then no, there is no result. They have already filled up to the rich men. Suppose you are listen to me. Suppose you are in MA in first class. Your marks is 80%. Other people is rich man. He is 60% or below the 60% marks. You apply. Other people also apply. But first preference give you which one the 80% mark. It is good, but they don't give to the for best man. They will give to the rich man first chance.
It's an unhappy situation. Kali Yuga is here.
Yeah. Yes, colleague is
Kali Yuga is here. We are in Kali Yuga and we must pray to God and ask God. It's a unique solution. There is no other.
No, okay, finish.